So another property, no, we have just recently vlogged the first one. This is 4,601 square meters for 3.5 million, which is around 760 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Then the front of this property is 2032. It has the same owner, guys, pareho lang ang may-ari. Then the same price, around 760 pesos, although they are planning to have an 800 pesos per square meter, but we have tried to negotiate this price, so they come out at 760 pesos per square meter. Siguro magkaano pa tayo para manegotiate pa natin more. So kung nandyan na talaga tayong bibili, siguro yun na lang po, kasi yung may-ari nakalagay is namatay na, bago lang namatay. Then you know, mga kapatid na ang yung asawa wala na rin, patay na rin, wala silang anak. So sa mga kapatid na talaga yung napunta, wala na rin si parents. So yun po. So sabi ng seminar namin, so to my lawyer also, first basta ganyan, mga ganyan, pupunta sana sa parents, pero wala naman si parents. Papunta sana sa mga anak, pero wala din si anak, wala din. So mga kapatid na ngayon. So ito po yung nangyayari, 760 pesos per square meter. So pwede bilhin ang dalawa, no? Kasi ito po yung ang property. Okay. So again, this is located in Barangay Cantata, Corillia, Bohol. So it's along concrete road. Lahat ay concrete road po, guys. Hindi na po kasali yung rice field, dito lang talaga yon. So this is really very nice property, also for residential, just only adjacent town from Tagbilaran City. Water, electricity, signal are good, oh, kompleto lahat, no. Bago lang namatay yung may-ari, so meaning it's still a clean title because wala namang problema yon, reported naman yon sa BIR yung death niya. So initially, no, basta 760 pesos ang kinalabasan. So ang kalsada nandun sa medyo itaas ng kaunti. So dito po, there are several coconut trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, parang 6. So ito po yun. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So ito po yung lote, guys. Dito nagawa ng daanan yung adjacent lot po yun. See? Pwede ito pang commercial or residential. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.